Staying bold is old, but no more. Experience the magic of hair transplantation like never before at Looks Studio. We all experience hair fall in our lifetime due to two principal reasons: genetics and hormones. The hormonal cause, androgenetic alopecia or male pattern baldness, is the most common condition. DHT or dihydrotestosterone is the hormone responsible for male pattern baldness. Once active, DHT attaches itself to the receptors on the hair follicles and causes miniaturization or shrinking of hair roots, which leads to baldness. It's generally visible on the front and the top region of the head. Thinning of hair does not qualify for hair transplantation. In this case, you can either get a traditional medicinal treatment which has its unwanted side effects, or you can go for PRP therapy with no side effects and better results. What is PRP? Platelet-rich plasma. PRP is blood plasma enriched with platelets and growth factors. As per the guidelines, approximately 10 to 20 ml of your blood is withdrawn and centrifuged to collect the platelet-rich plasma. This PRP is then injected into the required area over multiple sessions to control the ongoing hair loss and build on the growth of existing hair. In case you are bald in a specific area, you are left with only one choice, which is hair transplantation, the only cure for baldness. Hair transplantation involves the removal of hair grafts from the back of your scalp, also known as the donor area, and implanting it back in the affected bald areas. Traditionally, two major techniques have been used for hair transplant: follicular unit transplant (FUT) or strip technique, follicular unit extraction (FUE) or non-surgical technique. FUT technique involves surgical removal of a strip of the skin from the donor area. The skin needs to be stitched back, which leaves a permanent surgical scar. FUE is relatively a non-surgical procedure which involves extracting your hair grafts directly from the donor area one by one without leaving any scar behind. There are no stitches, which makes it more comfortable. However, we at Looks Studio present the best hair transplant technique with 100% guaranteed results. The brilliant Bio Integrated FUE is our trademark technique to give you the best results possible with the most advanced state-of-the-art equipment and treatment modalities. There are 4 simple steps involved. First is the hairline design, which aims at giving you a natural look as it is designed perfectly according to your facial structure. Then comes the extraction stage, which is done through a programmed rotomotor device which makes it faster and more efficient. Third is a critical step of implantation. Grafts are segregated based on the number of hair follicles and are implanted accordingly. Only single-unit grafts are implanted in the front rows to give a natural look. Implantation is done in a brick pattern to give an illusion of high-density growth with lesser grafts. Transplant is reinforced through PRP sessions, acting as a booster to the overall result. The entire procedure is under tumescent local anesthesia, making it pain-free and safe. The last and your favorite step is the result. It comes in 3 essential phases. The first is the growth phase. You will see the growth of the transplanted hair on the first head wash on the 10th day. Second phase is temporary shedding. After 3 to 4 weeks of the procedure, all the old transplanted hair are likely to fall in 10 to 12 weeks as they will be pushed by new and permanent hair. Third phase brings permanent growth. After 6 to 8 months from the first day of the procedure, hair starts to grow permanently. Voila, the young and beautiful you! Looks Studio delivers 100% positive and assured results with 25 years of warranty. Hair transplantation is an art, and we are the artists. So transform your look at Looks Studio and experience the magic today.